found that I want to help people that have substance use disorders, something I have never done in my life before. I want to be a therapist. I want to help. That's what I meant, to be more at service.
So,
which is my next question.
So you skipped over some steps, and so you can't get there from here. You figured out what you need to do to feel found, but you didn't describe to us in a meaningful enough way that we believe that you found the feeling of found, because if you'd found the feeling of found and had rested in it a little bit, then ideas would come to you from right where you are. In other words, is that what happened? Did you find the feeling of found, and then it just occurred to you that what you would do is help lost people be found?
Kind of.
Can you see what we're getting at? What we're saying to you is, we're not saying that you haven't found a really good idea of something that you want to do, but you want to flesh it out. You want to live in the vibration until you are found. Are you found?
I think so. Not sure.
So talk to us a little bit about what your plan is.
Well, more than my plan, I'm already doing it, is, I think one of the things that since I'm little, I've never felt that a sense of belonging in this planet, on this world. And I think that cause that I have since I'm 8 years old, panic attacks. I would end up in the ER 3 times a year, 3 days crying, and lately that's why I stopped.
But everything that you're saying is not about what we asked. Talk to us from your found position, not from your lost position.
From my found position, when I feel that whatever gift the universe gave me, because in every room I arrive, every person I interact with, I feel that I leave something, and I agree, it's not just giving the money.
We don't disagree with you. So why are you talking to us? What is it that you're looking for here?
Okay, one question then. So,
I'm trying to regret not letting you read that.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to read that. I'm not going to read it. I have worked a lot of all of my attachments in life, attachment to money, fame, success, we spoke before, all of it.
You're letting go of all of your attachments?
Yeah, I let go of all of my attachments. But
so all of these things that you manifested, you decide that you have to let them go. Why?
Because I don't want them anymore. I don't want them.
Even though they represent the evolution of knowing what you don't want, knowing what you do want, finding a vibrational alignment with it, ideas coming and manifestations happening, then they no longer apply because they don't represent the success of creation?
No, they represent who I am today, and I'm very proud of them. But I don't want, let's say, to put it more, I don't want to go back to that life. I want a new life. So I don't have any attachment to any of those things that I manifested before. I'm very proud of them. I love them, made them who I am. But I'm not attached to them anymore.
Would you have to carry them all with you everywhere you go?
Yeah, I call myself version 4.0, Carlos. To come to 4.0, you have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will not change anything. I love everything I manifested.
But what we're getting at, even in the wanting to let all of that go, there's a sort of pushing against it. And it is not in harmony with your intention when you came into this physical body. You said, I'm going into a physical place. We're not saying that everything that you've ever created you have to drag around with you forevermore. That's not the point. But it's quite a different thing to say, I'm letting go of everything like it's an attachment when your inner being sees it as a creation that could buoy you, that validates how the universe works, that is about the law of attraction, and it's about you finding vibrational alignment with it. So is what you're conveying to us and what you're